Hi everyone, welcome back to Julex Beauty. I'm Julie. I wanted to film some exciting new stuff for you. So this is not about makeup today. This is about an anti-aging device called NuFace. And I have been researching this for quite some time, looking at all the videos, all the reviews, and I am so excited to try this. So if you want to see what this device does and hear more about it, then please keep watching. So this is called the NuFace Trinity Pro. I chose to get the Trinity Pro because I wanted to be able to purchase the additional pieces to go on it if I wanted to. There is also a NuFace Mini, which is a little bit less expensive. This FDA cleared device delivers beautiful, unparalleled professional results in an easy to use portable size based on the same advanced microcurrent technology featured in the NuFace Trinity, which is what I have. So I'm reading the Mini, but I have the Trinity. It has been clinically tested and shown to improve facial contour, tone, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The unit features the same smart skin sensor for customized microcurrent delivery as the original, which I had the original, and is a perfect introduction to NuFace anti-aging skin and skincare. You put your gel primer on first, which gives you a conductor, and then you run this all over your face, which I am going to show you. Visible results that are long-lasting with continued use, easy to use as little as 5 minutes a day, designed with interchangeable anti-aging treatment attachments, which that's why I got the Trinity, was because I am really interested in trying the anti-wrinkle, which is a red light technology. Professional quality results in the comfort of your home. So the NuFace Trinity Wrinkle Reducer attachment is what I'm interested in, and that is the red light technology. I'm not really interested in getting the wrinkle reducer, the L attachment, because all the research that I've done basically says that with these two balls that you don't need that other one. So before using, connect the external power adapter to the charging cradle and plug adapter into the wall outlet. Charge your Trinity device for 12 hours before the first use. So mine has been charging since last night. It is now 12 o'clock. Fully charged device should last for approximately 2 weeks of use based on a daily 20-minute treatment time. If the battery power is drained completely, a full charge cycle of 12 hours is recommended. Firmly press the release button to remove or fasten the attachment. So there's a little button right here where if you want to change your attachment to the wrinkle reducer or the L attachment, then you can do so. I don't have those right now, so I'm just going to click that back on. Before and after your treatment, take a photo of your clean face, problem areas in a well-lit room. Every 8 weeks, take another photo and compare results. So that's what we're gonna do. Today is May 14th. So let's keep track of this and see how it goes. I plan on doing this when I'm watching TV. It's gonna be more of a nighttime routine for me. So let's get started. I'm going to open this up. So this is the gel primer right here. I just took the cap off. And we are going to use about that much and place that all over my skin. So I'm going to press this middle button to turn my NuFace on, and then there are different levels for your sensitivity. I'm going to try it on the middle one right now just to see how it feels, because I've never had this done. I have a high pain tolerance though, so I don't think this is going to bother me at all. So it starts to beep. You go ahead until it beeps again. Can you hear that? So starting here, moving upwards, and there's my beep. And I'm going to do it again. That doesn't hurt at all. I'm going to turn that up because I can't even feel that, so I knew that was going to happen. So again, I'm going to start right here and work backwards. So the pictures are saying to work in a upward motion. Obviously we want it lifted, right? So you're going in the direction that you want your skin to be lifted to. You don't want to go downwards, you want to go upwards. This does not hurt at all, just so you know. This is my problem area right in here. Oh my gosh, some of the videos I've been watching, you can see such a difference right away. So the gel is very, very important to have on your face. That is the conductor. Electricity needs a conductor to be able to get deep down into the layers of your muscle. So the video I watched that really made me want to try this was the QVC video. And basically what she described was we go to the gym to work out our muscles on our body. And this is the same idea of working out our muscles on our face. So we do our skincare that takes care of the epidermis, but we want, I'm just gonna re-wet this. We want to exercise underneath. So to reactivate the gel, all I did was wet it. I want that lift in my eyebrows so my makeup goes on really nice. Maybe I'll get rid of my crinkles. That's a good thing to hope for. Wouldn't that be great if I could? So the other thing you need to know is you will have a result when you first do this. Oh, that's tingly by my hairline. Woo! Make sure that I have enough slip there. But the result will fall back to normal after the first time you use it. The idea is that you want to do this, they say 5 times a week to get your best results. So once you basically exercise your face for, I think 6 weeks, does it say? I'm the worst at explaining things. It's all in my head, but it's very hard for me to explain what the heck is going on. So I'm more of a visual person. I hope that you can see if I'm getting a lift or not. I have high hopes for this device. Oh, it's so weird. I can actually feel that in my hair. But it's just a little tingle. It doesn't hurt. I don't know, can you see a difference? Let's be honest. I have Botox in my forehead because I go to the pain clinic and he does the Botox in my forehead for my headaches. So I don't know how much of a difference it's gonna be on my eye and on my forehead because I do have that. But really where I'm hoping for is right in here, right in this line and in my eyes. Even though I know I have a good space there, but actually even with the Botox a little bit, it actually relaxed my muscle quite a bit so that my eyes aren't quite as high. I don't know if you remember my first videos, I had more of a surprise eyebrow here and it actually dropped that down a little bit, which made my eyebrows more even, but gave me a little less space there. Yeah, I have wrinkles in here. I think that's really from where I sleep because I'm a side sleeper. So wouldn't that be nice if that was all softened after time too? And a little bit of a lift at the cheekbone. My face looks so pretty when I do this, doesn't it? Oh my God, so my brother posted a old picture, 28 years ago that picture was taken, that he posted on Facebook yesterday. And at first I looked at it and I died because I was at my heaviest weight at that point of the picture. And I was so embarrassed. And then I thought, you know what? Why should I be embarrassed? Because that's not the way I look now. And I actually didn't feel so bad when I weighed that much either. I had a lot of fun back then. Those were my college days. So I know I didn't look bad back then, but it's just funny. I feel like I look so different. And my hair was so red. And it was natural. I'm a natural redhead. I think as I've gotten older, it's gotten more kind of like a light copper color. I'll have to insert that picture and show you what I looked like back 28 years ago. Holy cow. Most people, by the way, count how many strokes they've done. I think you're supposed to count like 1, 2, 3, but I just want to keep doing it and really get the bang for my buck. Well, you tell me, do you notice a difference? In the videos that I've seen with all my research, this side of the face looked more lifted, the cheek was up higher, the skin was tighter in here, the eyebrow was lifted. The women just looked fresh. So I'm not sure. You'll have to let me know in the comments what it looks like from this side to this side. I think it does look fresher for sure. I feel like I see a difference. Now, warning, as far as anything like this goes, do not put this directly at the center of your throat. That's where your thyroid is. So you really want to avoid that area. You don't want to go near your thyroid, but the pictures show that you can take it from here out. I find this very soothing. Almost feels like I'm giving myself a massage. I did see that you can use aloe vera gel as your conductor. And there was another product, Colloidal Silver, that another esthetician that I watched. I'll actually maybe link her video down below so that you can see her. She's a much better talker than I am regarding explanation. And yeah, I looked online for Amazon.ca and it's not expensive at all. Imagine if I do this starting at 46. Imagine if this device lasts forever and I do this all the time. Maybe I could look like this forever. All right, so I'm done. And that kind of just made me meditate a little bit. I found that so relaxing. So I'm going to insert a couple of before and after pictures that I've seen online, just so you can get a real good visual, because I know my skin isn't really sagging at the moment. I mean, there's signs of aging, but more for me, probably it's definitely around my eyes, definitely these lines right here and right in here. So over time, we're gonna check back and see if these have any, if I have results with these lines and right in here. Those are the ones that bug me probably the most. And it'd be nice to see some of my lip lines if I could get this kind of going a little bit better too. Anyways, and of course my crinkles in my eyes. So over time, this is the first check-in basically. So again, like I said, it is May 14th. I will try to do my best to check in next Monday to see what it's like after I've used it for a week. So maybe I'll do a check-in every week and we'll go back and see the progression. And I also gave this to my mom, so maybe after she uses it for a bit, she'll come on and let us know how she feels about it as well. So that's it for now. I'm going to check back in a week. Please check back maybe next Tuesday. And in the meantime, I'm going to have more videos up. So if you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. That helps me out a lot. And if you want to get notifications of when I post, hit the little bell and that will give you a notification when I post my next video. Yeah, that's it. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.